I'm back with a little update about our sad little Dorset Naga plant. The last video that we put up was a full water change for this plant. And this is one that we had a lot of problems with. It suddenly lost almost all of its leaves. It's so bare still. And the big problem was this was definitely our best Dorset Naga plant that we had going. And when the leaf drop occurred, it already had a bunch of peppers coming along on it. So we were super, super bummed out about that. We were really looking forward to these peppers, but we stuck with it and we tried to see what we could do to rescue it and help it along a bit. I'm really happy to say that it seems like it is making a recovery very nicely. And while it's still a very bare plant, the leaf drop has really stopped. And I can shake it and nothing's coming off, or before it just would rain down leaves onto the base. Another cool update about it is that if you look over here, for example, it looks like we're seeing some new growth on it. So I'm very excited to see the leaves are looking nice and shiny. For the most part, they're looking pretty healthy. New growth is happening. And while it's still got some problems, it's very positive results. And hopefully these peppers will come along a little bit further and we'll get some new peppers as well. I'm hoping to see that it will keep producing because we love Dorset Nagas. I mean, overall, it's a nice looking pot on that one. Some of them are about the same size. Some of them are smaller. Some other really cool updates on the other Dorset Naga plants is that these have peppers. We look at this one. Look at that. That looks beautiful. It's a great size, great texture. It's nice and shiny. Plenty more coming out on this plant. And some on the smallest one that we have as well, which is looking a little yellowed. So we're going to have to give that one a feeding. We're probably going to do a feeding tonight. Give it some water, give it some attention. But these are all producing some pods at this point. So we have a lot to look forward to, and we'll keep you posted.